Hello, love. I was set to prepare a dish today, but not prepared to meet a dish as lovely as you. For the dry rub marinade, take a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and the zest of 2 lemons and an orange. Then thoroughly mix them all together. Mix this together with a fork until it resembles wet sand. Then get your pork loin, ideally between 2 and 2.5 pounds. Butterfly your pork loin and then rub the marinade over both sides. When both sides are evenly coated, place it fat side down, in a baking dish, uncovered, in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours. Once the pork loin has marinated, preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare the pineapple filling. Take a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple and from it measure out 1 cup of drained solids. Be sure to save the juice and remaining solids. Evenly spread 1 cup of drained, crushed pineapple over the side of the pork loin that does not have the fat strip on it. Cut 5 lengths of butcher's twine, then roll up the roulade like you would a jelly roll, with the fat strip on top. Use the butcher's twine to tie up the roulade with 4 or 5 ties. Bake the pork loin, fat side on top, for 3 hours at 250 degrees Fahrenheit or until the center reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember the orange and lemons we zested for the dry rub earlier? It's time to juice them for the sweet and sour sauce. Also add in the crushed pineapple and pineapple juice that we saved from before, then half a cup of sugar, and a 1/3 cup rice vinegar, and a half cup of ketchup. Give this a good stir, place it over medium heat, and prepare a cornstarch slurry. Make the cornstarch slurry by mixing 4 teaspoons of cornstarch into half a cup of water. Bring the sauce to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally, then add the cornstarch slurry, reduce the heat to low, and continue stirring. Safely give the sauce a taste. If it's too sour, add a touch more sugar. If it's too sweet, add just a little vinegar. Simmer the sauce for 2 to 4 minutes as it thickens and takes on a glossy appearance. Then remove from heat. After the pork loin has roasted for 3 hours, remove it from the oven and ensure the internal temperature has reached at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the pork loin loosely with foil and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before removing the butcher's twine and slicing. Cut the roasted pork loin into 1/2 or 1-inch slices. Serve with whatever you prefer. I'm going to serve it over ginger rice. Spoon the sweet and sour sauce over the pork and serve any excess sauce on the side for those who want extra. All that's left is for you to make this a reality in your kitchen.
You'll be glad you did.